Hey everybody, so I have a haul tonight. I've been busy, so I haven't had time for videos. I've been working out in the yard. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've been here for a while, hi. And so let's get started. Let's see. So I got 2 of these boxes of the Cajun white bean seasoning, and I thought it would be nice to have these seasonings on hand to zhuzh up the beans, you know, if we have to eat all those beans and rice. So I got 2 of these. If you can get extra seasonings for your beans and things like that, it's totally worth doing. Then you won't blow through the seasonings that you have already. And then I found these. They are ranch flavored taco shells. So I got 2 boxes of those to give them a try. I have so many taco shells now, you guys. It's crazy. I got another box of my favorite instant mashed potatoes, the Hungry Jack. They're just really good potatoes, instant. I got some waffle cones, but they sound a little broken up, so they might be a topping rather than a cone. We'll see what I got in there. And then I found these waffle bowls, and they sound like they're intact. So one way or another, I'll have a vessel for the ice cream. Been making my own ice creams. I got some turkey stuffing just to replace one that I used. I got another can of the roast beef hash. And then I got a can of dark sweet cherries. They have a dent, but I'll use them for something over the holidays. I got the, this is the stuff that if you have surgery or what have you, they give you the little packets and have you shower with it. It's an antiseptic wash. So if you get a wound or have to clean a wound or something like that, this is really good to have on hand. I got some jojoba oil. So I'm going to be making my own creams and lip balms and things like that. So I wanted to have some of that on hand with my shea butter and coconut oil and stuff. I got some pearled barley. Got a bag of black beans. I got some more okra seeds. So my okra did not do fantastic at all. The grasshoppers topped off my okra and my surprise lily, so I didn't even get flowers. I got the shelf-stable Mama Mary's pizza crust. These are really nice to use. Make you some pizzas, pop them in the freezer. Then you have your own fast food. I got a pack of, I don't know how many are in here. I think there's, there's 18. I was going to say 12. 18 wash rags just to put up so I have them. You know, there's a cotton shortage as well as everything else. I got 12 of the pouches of tuna. This is from my Subscribe and Save on Amazon, and they were $9 and change, so they're still under $1 a pouch through the Subscribe and Save. I got 2 cans of the spicy jalapeno refried beans. I'm sorry about the lighting in here. It's terrible. I have a ring light, but I don't have the tripod for it. I got the traditional Rosarita refried beans. these are new. They are Takis Kettle Jalapeno Typhoon chips. So I got these for my chip stash. And I got some honey barbecue. You guys remember when barbecue chips were like impossible to find? I got some corned beef hash. I got some less sodium Spam. Got some salsa con queso, just adding to that cheese stash of all forms. And remember when I did the lasagna in the sun oven? These are the noodles I used. So I got another box to replace what I used. So I think that's it for this haul. I still have these potatoes to process. So we'll be doing a video on that. And I'm going to be canning some tomato soup because I have some canned tomato sauce that I want to get out of the cans and into jars. So when you're rotating your food, you want to do things like that. And if you have to make soup or spaghetti sauce or something like that, and recan it so it's not in those cans, because the acid in the tomatoes will eat these cans. So with your tomato sauces and things like that, if you're not getting to them, recan them into something else. You don't want to lose them because we have that tomato shortage coming up, they say. So, you know, save that food by any means possible. So we'll be doing that. Gonna make it as close to the Campbell's tomato soup as possible. I have a copycat recipe, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, so that's my haul for tonight. Going to put this away and get my little baby monsters in the house. They're running amok outside. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.